Hi guys, my name is Kel. I'm a streamer here on Mixer.com. I've been asked to do a quick tutorial on how to get my interactive buttons, your interactive buttons, to be animated like I have mine here. I've gotten a few partners and other people in the industry, viewers that have seen my buttons. I'm not sure if people are aware that this is an ability on Mixer with interactive controls, but I just wanted to show you how to make your interactive buttons animated. So let's just get right into it. You see here, I've got all my buttons. They're pretty much almost like my information one is animated, my current game one is animated. This one's animated. Almost all of my sound ones are animated. So what you need to do first is you need to go to the dev lab. And this is going to be for Firebot. I don't use Scorpbot or any other bot right now that has interactive controls. I use Firebot. It was the easiest to understand, super simple, and it's really nice. So you just click on the dev lab, which brings you over to your dev lab. So you need to go to interactive projects. I'm not going to create a new scene, but I'm going to just show you my pre-existing scene for Firebot. Click on editor, click on build, and then this shows you your layout for web, for tablets, and for phones. A quick note, the buttons that show up on the desktop version sometimes might not fit in the same space as tablets or phones, so there may need to be a sacrifice of a button here or there. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the soundboard ones. Let's just get rid of this, and then I will get rid of this because we're going to create a new one. So we're just going to do a quick walkthrough here. Whatever scene your button is on, these are your scenes. You can have multiple scenes. There's other tutorials out there to show you which scenes, how to create scenes and stuff, how you interact with them and whatever. But this is just going to be for how to make them animated. And I will give a link in the description below on where to get your images and your GIFs, your animations and stuff like that. But let's just get into it real quick. So whatever scene you want to create the buttons on, you create your scene, you go to controls, create new control. We're just going to do test. And then make sure it's on button. Click add. And then it's right down here at the bottom. Your buttons show up in this list in the order of which you create, not which you have placed. So down here in test. Another note is that the text field here shows up as a solid color similar to gray. There's no way to change it, so with some animations it might be hard to see. So what I usually do, I'll show you here. I will do a period, and then this code pound 1C00FF00. This is pretty close to transparent is what I can find. There might be other ones out there, but for this one, we're going to use test. And then your text color, you can set it to whatever you want, accent color, whatever, blah, blah, blah. All these you set them however you want. This one down here, background image, this is where this is what we're focusing on. So what we do is we just find whatever animation, like Bob's Burgers, Simpsons, whatever you want. Let's do this one. So what you need to do, find your animation. You can either upload it on Imager or IBB, or you can directly link it from here. You click on copy link on Giphy, whatever GIF you want, copy link, and then this one right here, GIF link, is what you want to copy. So Control C, and then you just paste it, bloop, right here. There is sometimes if you try to copy it, it'll have this. It'll have blob colon. I don't know why it does that. Just delete the blob colon part until you get to the H, and it accepts it. So after that's done, close it. You drag the button over here, and then you size it however you want it to go up. Make it as big as little as you want, but just keep in mind that however you shape the button, it will distort the image if the image is not a long one or a tall one, or proportionally accurate. And then you just move the button wherever you want to put it. Click on save, and then you want to come over to Firebot. Again, this is just for Firebot because I don't use Shortbot. You want to click resync. Let it sync up. We have our button here. Turn it off. Turn it back on.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Hello, Hal. Go over here to sound effects, and there it is. All ready to go. So that's how you get your buttons animated. You can use any GIF. I'm pretty sure if you upload your own MP4 or MOV file to like a site like Imager or IVB, you could probably do the same thing. But I use GIFs for mine. We're just going to delete this for now. Anyways, I hope that was informative enough. If you would like to come over and check out my live stream, I'm mixer.com/-kill-dash, as you see right here. Check me out on Twitter. I will leave my social links below. Check me out on Facebook. Also, check out Nerd or Die. They came up with all of the stream alerts and stream packages. I'll leave a link for them as well below in the description. I hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching. See you later.